Okay, this is a bit of an experiment because I am currently holding the X4, the Insta360 X4 and the X5. This is not a paid, I don't get enough attention for this to be supported in any way. I saw these comparison videos, and you know, when you're getting paid to do a comparison video, I don't know if they're trying to do it in a way that shows off the camera, the new camera, in the best possible light to sell it. And there's a big debate. Is there a difference between the X4 and the X5, the new camera, that makes it worth looking at the X5 if you have an X4? Since I found someone I could sell the X4 to, I figured that made sense. I'll do the upgrade. I heard that it has a bigger sensor, which means it should be better in lower light. And the thing is, right now it's still daytime, but it's like evening, so the light is lower than normal. And I thought I'd test these cameras out, holding them both at the same time, and going for a quick little run like I normally do, and let's see. I wonder what the sound is like right now. I don't normally record with sound or walk and talk like this. I normally record running. So I'm going to stick both of these out, hold them at the same time. I'm going to look a bit stupid, but we'll see how we go. Just see if particularly the new one is sharper, or if you can't really even tell the difference. So let's compare them. So let's extend the selfie sticks now. The new one is a slightly longer one. Make it about the same length. Okay, so let's try this. Brief little run. today with 2 cameras. That would be too much. But oh, some lovely flowers over there. And even over here. Good enough. Just did a lap. What was interesting there is that the oh, nice flowers. I found the cameras are only, the new one is only 3 grams. It's like 200 grams and the old one is 203 grams. But I did find the new one felt lighter. Probably my left arm is just weaker. The weight is a problem with the new camera. The old X3 was substantially lighter. And I think running with this is partly how I ended up with a frozen shoulder. So that's one reason why I use it less now. And I was disappointed that it's not lighter. But how is the sound? This is quite gloomy light. So this should show up the difference if the bigger sensor is working on the new camera. So yeah, how does it look? I've already made the decision to upgrade. Probably you don't have to from the X4 unless you want to use it at night. But yeah, certainly it's a great camera and it's worth it if you're, I think, anything below the X4. But this is the X4 to X5 comparison, so enjoy. Boom.